Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Emmy and this is Essence TV. Please like this video and subscribe. Today we are delving into the magical world of learning and studying, inspired by one of our most brilliant witches of our day, Hermione Granger from Harry Potter. I'm sure you've seen Harry Potter. If you haven't read Harry Potter or watched the film, here is a quick recap. J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter fantasy novel series follows a young wizard, Harry, as he attends Hogwarts schools of witchcraft and wizardry. Throughout his journey, he discovers his magical lineage, battles the dark wizard Voldemort, and explores concepts of friendship, courage, and the power of love. Talking about friendship, besides Ron Weasley, another of Harry's most loyal friend is Hermione Granger. Yes, Hermione is a brilliant, clever witch recognized for extraordinary academic ability and love of learning. She plays an important role in combating forces of evil and ultimately defeating the dark wizard Voldemort. Now, for the sake of studying, to getting good grades and enjoying school, we will be taking our inspiration from Hermione Granger. We know she is a fictional character, but by now we should also know that not all movies are for entertainment purposes only. We can also learn a thing or two from the characters. Before we get into how to study like Hermione Granger, please like this video, because I'm sure this content will help you ace that exam. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and please share this video to as many as you can. Trust me, they will definitely appreciate you for it. 1. Hermione Granger's study habits. Hermione Granger, known for her dedication to learning and knowledge, had some exceptional study habits. She was always well prepared and organized, making the most of her time with tools like the time turner. The time turner is a magical device used to manipulate time. She utilized the time turner to attend multiple classes simultaneously by turning the hourglass device. This allowed her to manage a heavy academic load and be in different places at the same time, helping Harry and Ron with their adventures while excelling academically. We can't go back in time, and we may not have possession of a time turner, but there are tools that can help us achieve almost the same thing. Like, first, using physical planners to jot down assignment, due dates, and important events, helping you stay organized and manage your time effectively. Next, create physical flashcards to aid in memorization. Next, using sticky notes for jotting down quick reminders, to-do lists, or marking important pages in textbooks. Next, using different colors of highlighters or pen to mark important information, categorize notes, or emphasize key points during studying. And lastly, wall calendars or digital calendars and planners can help track due dates, exams, and events for the month. 2. Prioritize learning and curiosity. First and foremost, exhibit Hermione's sincere interest in learning. Be eager to learn and delve into the complexity of your studies. The key to an enriching academic journey is curiosity. 3. Effective time management. You can efficiently manage time using the tools indicated in number 1, just like Hermione did with the time turner. This is essential. Schedule your study session and provide sufficient time for each subject, and maintain a timetable to maximize productivity. 4. The importance of a study environment. Make a learning-friendly study environment. Keep everything tidy, distraction-free, and personalized to improve your focus and efficiency. 5. Utilize resources and libraries. Like it or not, your magical potions are libraries and other intellectual resources. Use them to improve your understanding of subjects and to undertake in-depth research for your project. 6. Active learning techniques. Use active learning techniques such as taking notes, summarizing, and self-quizzing. These strategies will assist you in engaging with the subject more successfully. 7. Healthy lifestyle choices. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is just as important as staying fit in the wizarding realm. Maintain a healthy diet, frequent exercise, and enough sleep to keep your mind fresh. 8. Engaged with peers and teachers. Participate in discussions with your peers and teachers. Form study groups, pose questions, and seek assistance as required. Collaborative learning can help you understand complex concepts much better. And finally, 9. Celebrate achievement and progress. Finally, remember to be proud of your accomplishment. No matter how great or small, recognize your progress and use it to motivate you to continue striving for excellence. Channel your inner Hermione Granger and allow the power of inquiry, organization, and commitment to improve your academic experience. Good luck with your studies and success in all your exams. Please share and like this video if you found this guide useful. Also, please leave your thoughts and suggestion in the comment section below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It inspires me to write useful information like this. Thank you for watching all the way through. I'd love to see you succeed. Make a wise decision, and until next time, bye.